You don't need a garage full of expensive tools to fix 90% of what breaks in your house. These 10 cheap, underrated DIY tools will save you time, money, and trips to the hardware store. Let's go! Tool number 1. Hurricane 10-inch Aviation Tin Snips. Most people think these are just for roofing. Wrong. Use them to open impossible clamshell packaging, cut zip ties, trim vinyl siding, even slice through gutter guards. Here's the secret. The high-leverage design has a dual pivot system. That means 40% less effort, no tired hands. The blades are chrome molybdenum steel. They stay sharp, way longer than regular scissors. The handles are soft rubber with a serrated jaw for grip, plus a safety lock for safe storage. Cuts mild steel, aluminum, and stainless steel up to 22 gauge. Just don't use it on hard wire or mesh. This is not a bolt cutter. Get the green ones for straight cuts. Tool number 2. Screen Repair Kit. A new screen door costs $250 installed. This kit costs $10. Here's what's inside. A screen roller with 2 different ends, one for fiberglass screen, one for stainless steel. Pick the right end to avoid tearing. A 32-foot roll of spline. That's the rubber cord that holds the screen in place. It's hollow, flexible, and won't break. And a removal hook with a sharp end to pull out the old spline. Works on window screens, door screens, porch screens, RV screens, even pool screens. The roller has a wooden handle, easy grip, easy control. Fix a torn screen in under 4 minutes, no experience needed. Just match the spline size to the groove. 0.14 inches fits most standard windows. $10 versus $250, that's a save. Tool number 3. SKIL Twist 2.0 Rechargeable Screwdriver. Most drills are too powerful for small jobs. This one is just right. The head pivots to 3 positions, 0 degrees for straight work, 22.5 for comfort, 45 degrees for tight spaces, then it locks in place. 3 torque settings, low for delicate jobs like outlet covers, high for drawer pulls and hinges, forward and reverse trigger buttons, 1-finger use, no twisting wrists. An LED light turns on automatically in low light, under sinks, inside cabinets, behind the fridge. Charges with USB-C, the same cable as a phone, no giant charger brick. Comes with 2 2-inch bits and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Fits in a pen cup, lives in the junk drawer, ready to go anytime. Big drill stays in the garage. This one stays in the house. Tool number 4. Magnetic hooks, 12-pack. These are not ordinary fridge magnets. These are neodymium, the strong stuff. Each hook holds 40 pounds on a horizontal surface, 13 pounds when used vertically. That's enough for coats, bags, tools, even a small power strip. The hook rotates 180 degrees. Swivel it left, swivel it right, point it up, point it down. No drilling, no screws, no assembly, just stick and hang. Use them on the fridge, the garage door track, inside kitchen cabinets, on the side of a metal toolbox, the grill, the washing machine, any metal surface. Rust-proof finish, won't stain or corrode. Need to move them? Pull them off and reposition. 0 damage to the surface. Hang keys, towels, umbrellas, measuring tape, rubber gloves, extension cords. 12 hooks for the price of 1 coffee run. That's a win. Tool number 5. The 255-piece tool set. This is the junk drawer killer. Every home needs a central tool station. This is it. Inside the case, screwdrivers, wrenches, sockets, pliers, hex keys, a hammer, a tape measure, and more. 255 pieces total. The toolbox itself is the star. A removable sliding drawer, tiered storage compartments. Everything has a place. No more hunting for the right size Allen wrench at 9 p.m. on a Sunday. Includes a 12-volt cordless drill, 2 amp-hour battery, 1500 RPM max speed, LED light for dark corners, keyless chuck for quick bit changes. The hand tools are high carbon steel, heat treated for strength, rust resistant. One box, one closet shelf, every tool the average homeowner will ever need. Leave the 300-piece mechanic sets to the pros. This is for real life. Tool number 6. Tool number SR501 Roof Snake Roofing Tool. A commercial-grade crowbar for roofing. Replace old and worn-out composition roofing shingles quickly. This tool makes removing and applying new shingles more accurate, efficient, and safer than traditional methods. Never damage the roof again with this convenient pocket pry bar. Install new 3-tab shingles without bending or hitting surrounding shingles. Also, no accidentally striking fingers with a hammer. Forged from high-strength steel, features a patented offset nail slot. Align nails with the correct 1-inch offset from the bottom edge of the current course. No need for a flat bar with this handy claw tip. Easily loosen and remove old damaged shingles and nails. Drive the claw end under the nail. Roll the nail out. Twist the roof snake. A must-have for all roofers. Professional roofing tools made simple. Tool number 7. Buddy Tools TapeBuddy Drywall Taping Tool. This tool streamlines the drywall taping process. It makes taping faster, easier, and more efficient than a standard drywall banjo. Saves time and effort. No more tape bubbles. Each Buddy tool features a mud insert tab with 2 settings for mud application. This ensures the perfect amount of drywall mud is applied. The result is smooth, bubble-free drywall seams every time. Easy to use, easy to clean, anyone can achieve professional drywall taping results. The Buddy tool rinses clean with water for quick cleanup. Lightweight and durable, made from tough HDPE plastic. Easy to handle, built to last. An essential drywall banjo taping tool for both DIYers and professionals. No bubbles, no mess, no frustration. Just clean drywall seams. Tool number 8. Unger 2-in-1 Grout and Corner Scrubber Brush. A dual-purpose bathroom cleaner. The uniquely shaped bristles clean both grout and corners effectively and efficiently. The rounded brush head delivers 360 degrees cleaning. Easily access corners in the shower, bathtub, and other bathroom areas. The triangular-shaped handle provides maximum comfort and scrubbing power. No slipping in wet hands. The unique V-shaped bristles get deep into grout. They scrub away dirt, grime, and soap scum. Use it on showers, door tracks, tile, bathtubs. This cleaning tool is dishwasher safe. Throw it on the top rack for easy cleaning. 360 degrees of scrubbing power. Zero kneeling on wet bathroom floors. Grout and corners, one tool. Done. Tool number 9. Goldblatt Trim Puller. A 4-inch tile removal multi-tool for commercial work and home improvement. Use it on baseboard, molding, siding, and floor removal. Perfect for remodeling. The trim removal tool has a larger, flatter, and wider contact area than clumsy traditional tools. It features an integrated wedged center that provides increased removal efficiency and prevents damage to both the trim and the wall. This trim puller is made from carbon steel and 65 manganese steel. A black electrophoretic and polished finish protects against corrosion and gives the pry bar added durability and strength. A very beefy tool. It holds up well to repeated whacking. Ideal for kitchen remodels, removing baseboard sections, pulling up ceramic tile floors, and even prying up staples with the very edge. The ergonomic handle has a textured, dipped grip, impact-absorbing TPR plus PP handle, comfortable to hold. Tool number 10. Firecore 9-inch Shockproof Small Leveler Tool. Featuring a magnetic base, this spirit level attaches securely to metal surfaces for a variety of needs. Rubber end caps are shock-absorbing. They alleviate strain against the body of the product if dropped. They also help protect the bubble vial and the frame. 3 different vials, a 90-degree vertical bubble, a 0-degree horizontal bubble, and a 45-degree bubble. Maximum readability for every measurement. The high-impact ABS plastic housing is durable and lightweight. Hanging holes allow the user to hang the leveler so it will not be harmed when not in use. Wide application, designed for bricklaying, carpentry, wood construction, concrete and masonry construction, window fitting, road construction, gardening and landscaping. Hanging pictures, installing shelves, home renovation. 9 inches of precision.